Hi everyone, it's me again. As usual, I'm going to my department. And you know, one thing I have to mention, the weather is so good on these days. I don't know about your places, but in Tezpur it is so good. Not so cold, not so hot. Like it's a moderate, very romantic weather. Finally done for the day, and now we have come for some evening snacks and tea also. So as you have heard, today is Demarida's birthday. So now we bought one cake for him.
Wow, किसका आइडिया है पूछो? नेम किसका है? टकलू, टकलू ये और कैसा लगा है केक तुमको? नाइस। जोला।
Wait, we sing in Assamese or in English?
Happy birthday. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Gimana kau dia English atau mi? Ruangan boga, manas.